Stop corruption, stop giving illegal construction permission, think about next generation. This time summer is having highest temperature. Even AC stop working on outside 50°. According to Jaipur Meteorological Center, Rajasthan's Phalodi was the hottest place in the state on Friday, with 49 degrees Celsius. India has been experiencing a gradual increase in average temperatures, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves. This rise in temperature exacerbates issues like heat-related illnesses, agricultural stress, and energy demands for cooling. Over 1 lakh trees cut to build roads in Karnataka in 4 years. Nearly 42 million trees are cut down daily, which means 15,330,000,000 are cut in a year. Forest loss and damage is the cause of around 10% of global warming. Indeed, the increase in global temperatures is a concerning trend that has been observed over the past century. Scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the fact that human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, are the primary drivers of this phenomenon. These activities release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere, which trap heat and lead to a warming effect known as global warming. The consequences of global warming are wide-ranging and include more frequent and severe heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, melting glaciers and ice caps, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems and wildlife habitats. These impacts pose significant risks to human health, food security, water resources, and infrastructure. Addressing global warming requires collective action at local, national, and international levels to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, improve energy efficiency, and implement policies that promote sustainable practices. It's crucial to raise awareness about the urgency of this issue and encourage individuals, businesses, and governments to take meaningful steps to mitigate climate change and protect the planet for future generations. Global warming has profound effects on various natural phenomena, including glaciers, earthquakes, and tsunamis. 1. Glaciers. Rising global temperatures lead to the melting of glaciers and ice caps around the world. This results in accelerated glacial retreat and contributes to sea level rise. As glaciers melt, they release vast amounts of freshwater into the oceans, affecting ocean currents and disrupting ecosystems. The loss of glaciers also impacts water resources for communities that rely on glacier-fed rivers for drinking water, agriculture, and hydroelectric power. 2. Earthquakes. While global warming itself doesn't directly cause earthquakes, it can influence seismic activity in several ways. The melting of polar ice caps and glaciers can lead to changes in Earth's crustal loading, redistributing mass and potentially triggering tectonic activity. Additionally, the extraction of groundwater and fossil fuels, such as oil and gas, can alter subsurface pressure and stress conditions, which may induce or inhibit seismic events. However, the exact relationship between global warming and earthquakes is complex and requires further scientific investigation. 3. Tsunamis. Global warming can indirectly impact the occurrence and intensity of tsunamis through its influence on sea level rise and oceanic dynamics. Rising sea levels increase the likelihood of coastal flooding during tsunami events, amplifying their destructive impact on coastal communities and infrastructure. Additionally, changes in ocean temperatures and currents due to global warming may affect the frequency and distribution of underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, which are primary triggers of tsunamis. However, more research is needed to fully understand the interplay between global warming and tsunami activity. In summary, while global warming primarily affects Earth's climate system, its consequences extend to various geophysical processes, including glacier dynamics, seismic activity, and tsunami occurrences. Understanding these interactions is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and enhance the resilience of vulnerable communities and ecosystems. To know more, subscribe to this channel.